Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll make a smart fan using Arduino Uno. So let us begin. So for this, we need one Arduino Uno, one small fan, DC motor, one PIR sensor, one temperature sensor and few connecting wires. Now let us see how to connect the circuit. So for this, let us see how to connect the DC motor first. So we will connect the first terminal of it to the stand number pin of this Arduino and second one to the GND pin of this Arduino. After it, now let us see how to connect this temperature sensor. So it has total 3 terminals. First is the power pin that we will connect to this 5V pin of this Arduino. Second one is the Vout that we will connect to this A0 number pin of this Arduino at the analog side. And the third one is the GND pin that also we will connect to this GND pin of this Arduino. Now let us see how to connect the PIR sensor. So it has also total 3 terminals. First is the signal terminal that we will connect to the 6 number pin of this Arduino. Second one is the power pin that we will connect to the 5V pin of this Arduino. And the third one is the ground pin that we will connect to this GND pin of this Arduino. So in this way our circuit is ready. Now let us see how the code is. So this is our code. First of all, we have initialized some integer and float variables to 0. After it, in the void setup function, we have configured the pin mode 6 and A0 for the input purpose and 10 for the output purpose. Now in void loop, first of all we are reading the value from the pin number 6 and storing it in the input variable. After it, we are reading the value from the pin number A0 and storing it in the status variable. After it, we are calculating the voltage using this formula. After the calculation of it, we are calculating the temperature in degrees centigrade. After it, initially we are making the fan that is low, and if the temperature will be greater than or equal to 30 degree and there will be someone inside the room or say hall, the fan will rotate, and if there will be no one inside the room or the temperature will be less than 30 degrees centigrade, the fan will not rotate. Now let us see how actually it will work. So for it, I am clicking on start simulation. As you can see, initially the fan is not rotating. Now let us see if the temperature is, let us say more than 30 degrees centigrade. And there is someone over here inside the room, as you can see over here. The temperature is greater than 30 degrees centigrade and there is someone in the range of this PIR motion sensor and hence the fan is rotating. So in this way it will work. Thank you.